Tired of tangled cables cluttering your room or office? The 100pcs 8mm Ethernet cable clips are designed to keep your cables neatly secured and out of sight, giving your space a clean, organized look. These clips work perfectly for Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat7 cables with an 8mm diameter or smaller. Made from premium UV-stabilized plastic, these cable clips are built to last. They resist acid, corrosion, and aging, ensuring your cables stay protected in any environment. The hardened 1-inch nails provide strong holding power, so you won't have to worry about clips loosening or falling off over time. Whether you're running cables along baseboards, wood trim, or tight spaces around door frames, these clips hold your Ethernet wires snugly in place. The design keeps cables secure without damaging them, making it easy to route wires cleanly and efficiently throughout your home or office. One user shared how these clips were perfect for routing security camera cables. They're just the right size, not too big or small, offering a neat solution without bulk. The sturdy nails ensure the clips stay put, even when installed over door frames or around corners. Another review highlights how these clips made running an Ethernet cable from a modem to a Wi-Fi extender simple and reliable. The depth of the clips holds the wire firmly, while the long nails prevent any wiggle or movement, guaranteeing a professional-looking setup that lasts. If you're looking for a straightforward way to organize your network cables, these 8mm Ethernet cable clips offer both durability and ease of use. They save time on installation and deliver a tidy finish that improves your space's appearance and safety. Worth a look if you want a hassle-free solution to cable clutter. These clips provide what you get: secure cable management that stays put, protects your wires, and keeps your environment neat. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your setup with minimal effort.